this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to resolve the common AVETMISS errors activity start or end date must not be in the future for started or final outcomes. This error appears in the NAT 120 section of the AVETMISS validation. As you can see, I've run my AVETMISS report and am facing some errors. I must update these before I can successfully submit the files to my reporting body. Clicking the update link from the AVETMISS validation page will take you to the student's enrollment, where you can use the Set All tool found underneath the units list to quickly bulk update any units you wish for the student. If this error applies to many students in a class, it may be faster to navigate to the class via the link at the top of the enrollment page. From here, mouse over the bulk actions in the class menu and then click the bulk set outcomes option. Using my example, we can see that half the units are continuing activity, outcome 70, which implies the student has begun their training, and half the units are competent, outcome 20, which implies the student has successfully completed their training. However, the future dated start dates of the units of competency contradict this. To resolve the errors, either the start date or the competency status must be updated. In my case, the unit outcomes are in fact correct, and the dates are incorrect. I'm going to click on this Set All button at the bottom of the units table, which will take me to the Student Set All page. From here, I must select my units, and I must also select this checkbox to allow the start date to be updated. And then I can bulk update all selected units by this field at the top of the page. If the unit outcomes are incorrect, I could instead use this page to update the statuses to be correct. As previously mentioned, you can also use the bulk set outcomes tool found on the class page to perform this action for many students at once. In summary, the error activity start or end date must not be in the future for started or final outcomes is due to a mismatch of the unit outcome code and activity start or end dates. It can be resolved by updating the unit dates or the outcome code for the unit.